Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I do know that my sign was the same one as in another video, but that's alright. I still believe it this time as I did last time. Today we have our Target beauty box. Now this is not a subscription box. This is something you have to go in and order. There are many people that will let you know on YouTube when this box is dropped, or you can just go to Target, type in Target beauty box, and it will let you know if it is there yet. I have been doing these for a few months now. I did not do it last month because I had my Walmart box, but I do like these, and for $7, you know, why not? I don't have a Target around me, so I do like to get this box. So it does come in the outer cardboard box, and then inside is your actual box. The box is very pretty this month. It is in pink and orange box. Fall is coming and I cannot wait. So let's go ahead and open this and see what we got. There we go. Alright, and I do keep these boxes and use them. When you open it, this is what it looks like. It does have a little card. It says glow into fall. That must be the theme. And then inside is our tissue paper. And inside of that is all of our products. So, it says, summer might be winding down, but who says your beauty routine needs to? With the help of a few power products, you can keep glowing into fall and beyond. Here are the go-tos that'll keep your skin, hair, and nails radiant as ever. You can thank us later. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. On the back, it does tell you everything you received, and as always, you get a $3 off coupon of purchases of $15 or more. So, many times there is one box a month. I believe it was April. We had 5 boxes in that month, so it does vary. Once you spend $15, it does take $3 off. So if you want to get, say, this month and last month's box, it comes out to like $15.32 with tax. So you can definitely apply that $3 off to that. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I'm pulling out is from Tresemme. These are nail care salon boards. You get 2 of them. You get a fine 280 grit and a light fine in 320 grit. They are Tresemme Salon board in pink. Gently buffs and smooths out edges, giving nails a soft, shiny finish. So polish goes on seamlessly and looks perfect. Psst. Compact and portable. Toss one in your bag for quick nail fixes on the go, which is what I do. I do keep a nail file in my purse, just for the simple fact that I break nails all the time. As you can see, I have cut them down again. They will be back soon. I do take my vitamins and they do work. So, the next thing we have is by Miss Spa. This is a Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask. Aloe vera and sodium hyaluronate deliver a healthy dose of hydration, while the sheet mask allows the yummy ingredients to absorb into skin. Hello Glow. How to: after cleansing your face, simply apply and let sit for 20 minutes, then remove and gently pat excess serum into skin. Everybody knows how to use a sheet mask. I do like sheet masks. I do have a few. So, I do use my sheet masks. I like them, and another one won't hurt. So there's that. Then we got the Tresemme Botanical Care shampoo and conditioner. It's pomegranate and chamomile oil. They deeply nourish hair and gently cleanse, giving beautiful locks, a healthy glow, won't strip color, and leaves it smooth and shiny. And it is 0 parabens, 0 dyes, and 0 silicones. Low lather shampoo. So, that's nice. I'll definitely try that out. Then from Dove, we got Dove Dry Serum Powder Touch. So, whatever this is. It says, dry serum formula absorbs into skin instantly and provides up to 48 hours of odor protection, so you'll smell delicious and feel clean all day long. Applying before bed will allow deodorant to sink into skin overnight, so it's even more effective the next day. What? A real treat for your underarms. Okay. It says, discover our new luxurious dry serum antiperspirant. Ultra lightweight, instantly dry to the touch. Silky smooth underarms with up to 48 hours protection. Curious, feel it, believe it. Apply half of the sample to each underarm using your fingertips. No. No, I'm not going to do that. A vibrant and uplifting scent of a bouquet of rose, magnolia, and peony. Also available in powder finish and jasmine touch fragrances. Now, I am not about getting down with some deodorant that I have to squeeze out of a sample and put on my underarms with my fingers. I'm just not going to do that. So, we'll give it to the daughter and see what she thinks. And then we got, our last product is the Intuition Trial Pack from Chic. Whatever. We have another razor. So this is a sensitive care razor. Signature skin conditioning solid. Contains vitamin A and aloe to gently moisturize skin, while the 4-blade razor and pivoting head provides precise control for a smooth, even shave. Tip is, after you shave, rinse off with cold water to close pores. Now, we just went over this. I got a razor in our Walmart beauty box last month. I don't use female razors. I use the men's Mach 3 razor. That is the razor of my choice. That is the one that I have been using for years, and I will continue to use. So this one will go to Samantha. If she does not want it, it will go into the giveaway tote. So we got a razor, a scary deodorant, a shampoo conditioner, a sheet mask, and some fingernail files. All of this came for $7. So I am okay with a lot of it. These I will totally use. This I will totally use. I'm sure at some point I will try this. This is a no-go for me. And this is a no-go for me. But 3 out of 5 is not bad. So yeah, I'm excited I went ahead and purchased this box. Even if I only liked one thing in it, I love these boxes. They are sturdy, they hold up, they're nice. So even if I paid $7 for a box, I would still be just as happy. So, comment down below. Let me know. Do you get the Target Beauty Box? Have you ever heard of the Target Beauty Box? Are you going to try the Target Beauty Box? Let me know what you got in yours. Is everybody's the same? Is it different? Either way, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out, and I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new here, please do hit that subscribe button. It is free. I would love for you to come join my family. We are growing every day. Do hit that bell, select all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And as always, until next time, you stay beautiful and have a great day. Bye.